how to search for filters on Instagram. Okay, well, there are a few ways, depending on what you want to do. First, let's click on the plus icon here. Now, to search for filters on a story, go to the story section. Now you can see what the screen is recording at the moment, but you can see all the filters you already have here. To look for a new one, scroll all the way to the right until you find this magnifying glass here. Now, click on it. Okay, perfect. Now once you're here, simply click on the magnifying glass icon and search for any filter you want to use. Okay, now to search for a filter on a reel, simply go to the reel section down here, select a photo or photos you want to upload. I'm going to select this one here. Now once you're here, click on this icon, and here you can browse different filters. Now go to the loop or magnifying glass section. Let's just look for aesthetic, something like that. And here you can see many filters you can use. I'm just going to select a random one. And there you go. That's 2 ways to search filters on Instagram. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.